What's up, everybody? CEO in the making. You saw the title, you see the box, so you know exactly what this video is about. It's going to be an initial review and just an unboxing of the Oster fast feed clipper. So if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I use the Andis Masters. Great clipper, no issues with it, no complaints. It was time for me to kind of upgrade, try something different, so that's exactly what we have here, the Oster fast feed. I know plenty of barbers have this clipper in their arsenal. A lot of barbers use them on a regular basis and use them a lot for fading, tapering. So it's an all-around well-known clipper. I've known about them for quite a while, just never really looked into it far enough to actually buy them and try them out. So that's what I decided to go ahead and do.
Industry Ready Production, psbeats.com. Make your purchase now.
Okay, so we have everything here. I don't know if you saw on the box, it actually says limited edition. And that's because of the colorway, this blue colorway. Most of the Oster fast feeds that you see are that burgundy color. Sometimes you'll see some black ones. But when I looked these up and I saw this blue colorway, that was the first time I'd ever seen any blue fast feeds. So that really stuck out to me. That was part of the reasons I wanted to go ahead and purchase them, because I haven't seen too many blue clippers like this, so I thought that was pretty unique. Initial review, it feels pretty good in the hand, nice and sturdy. And then this coating on here is a different kind of material. It's kind of soft, which is different from the Andis Masters. It's got that stainless steel, real hard, shiny surface. So that's kind of cool. It's a lot lighter than the Andis Masters, which is another reason a lot of barbers prefer these. Especially if you're cutting hair every day on a daily basis, you don't want to be using a big heavy clipper. So that's very noticeable. Then you got your adjustable lever on the side right there. So one thing that this doesn't have, that the Andis Masters does have, are the little notches on the side, so you can keep track of the levels that you're cutting at when you're adjusting that lever. So that's something that I'll have to get used to with these, but it shouldn't be too big of an adjustment. But other than that, so far so good. It feels pretty good. I will have to see how they actually cut and perform, but so far so good. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn it on, see what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good, relatively quiet, pretty quiet motor compared to some other clippers. So yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with my purchase so far. I will have to see what they cut like, see how they perform, which I will be doing some videos on that as well. So other than the clippers, you get 4 guards that come with it, some lubricating oil so you can keep them oiled up, instruction manual, as well as a little brush to keep them clean. So when I was researching the Oster fast feeds, I found out that an easy way to zero gap them is to replace the cutting blade with the Andis ceramic blade. So that's what I have here. So that's what I will be doing also in this video. So I'll make sure to post the link in the description where you guys can get the Andis ceramic blade as well as the Oster fast feed if you're interested in purchasing these. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver to do this. And the first thing you're going to do is just remove these 2 screws on the bottom here.
Industry Ready Production, psbeats.com. Make your purchase now.
Alright, so I took the bottom blade off, took the cutting blade off, and there's also a little bar that you will need to take out of here as well. As soon as you take this bottom blade off, you'll see it. You just kind of move that out of the way. Make sure you keep track of everything so you don't lose anything. But you can see this is the blade, the cutting blade that comes with the Oster fast feed, and this is the Andis ceramic blade. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but the teeth on the Andis blade are a little bit longer than the Oster blade. So that's why it's an easy way to zero gap them, because these teeth will come up closer on the guide blade and allow you to cut a lot closer.
Industry Ready Production, psbeats.com. Make your purchase now.
Alright, so I got everything back together. Got the blade back on there. Ceramic cutting blade is intact. Everything is good to go. So you can see there. Lever and everything works properly, so I'm excited to use these and see how they perform. I'll be making sure to record some videos, tutorials with these, some fade videos, taper videos. Yeah, so we'll see how they match up with the Andis Masters, so stay tuned for that. Any questions, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to stay in the loop with all the content that I'll be uploading. Other than that, thank you for watching.